Hello everyone, welcome to this video on 10 best tips for using ChatGPT for education purposes with examples. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can assist both students and teachers in various educational tasks. In this video, we'll share 10 tips that can help you get the most out of ChatGPT for educational purposes. Tip 1. Be specific with your prompts. The more specific and clear your prompt is, the better results you'll get from ChatGPT. For example, instead of asking "What is science?" try asking "What is the scientific method and how is it used in research?" Tip 2. Use a variety of prompts. Don't rely on just one type of prompt. Use a variety of prompts such as questions, statements, or even images to generate results from ChatGPT. For example, you can ask it to generate a list of activities related to a specific topic, or even to generate a visual aid to help explain a concept. Tip 3. Experiment with different settings. Experiment with different settings like the length of the response, tone, and language to get the most out of ChatGPT. For example, you can adjust the length of the response to get a more concise or detailed answer, or adjust the tone of the response to get a more formal or casual answer. Tip 4. Be patient. Sometimes ChatGPT might take some time to generate responses. So, be patient and wait for the model to generate a quality response. For example, if you're generating a complex question, it may take a few minutes for ChatGPT to generate a thoughtful and thorough response. Tip 5. Use it for inspiration, not replacement. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool for inspiration and guidance, not a replacement for your own critical thinking or teaching. Use the results from ChatGPT to guide your own thoughts and ideas. For example, if you're struggling to come up with ideas for a project, you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of potential ideas that you can then use to guide your own creative process. Tip 6. Use it for brainstorming. ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for brainstorming. Use it to generate ideas, questions, or even problems related to your topic of interest. For example, if you're teaching a lesson on the environment, you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of questions related to environmental issues. Tip 7. Use it for research. Use ChatGPT to help you in research tasks. Ask it to generate a list of relevant sources or summaries of the sources related to your research topic. For example, if you're researching a specific topic, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a list of articles or studies related to that topic. Tip 8. Use it for language learning. ChatGPT can be a great tool for language learning. Use it to ask questions or generate sample sentences to help you improve your language skills. For example, if you're learning a new language, you can use ChatGPT to generate sample sentences with proper grammar and vocabulary usage. Tip 9. Use it for personalization. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized learning experiences for students. You can ask it to generate activities or resources based on individual student needs. For example, if you have a student who is a visual learner, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a visual aid that can help that student better understand the concept. Tip 10. Use it for professional development. Finally, use ChatGPT to help you in your own professional development. Ask it to generate articles, videos, or resources related to teaching or your specific interests. For example, if you're interested in a specific area of teaching, you can ask. So those are 10 examples of how you can use ChatGPT for educational purposes. We hope you found them helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content like this. Thank you for watching.